This is your daily shot of Stoic wisdom. Men, these are the 10 things that you should do after a breakup to quickly recover. Breakups are never easy. They tear at the core of our emotions, leaving us questioning our worth, our decisions, and sometimes even our future. The empty texts, the silence, the loss of shared routines, these all strike deep into our sense of security and belonging. But what if we could use this pain as a tool for growth, rather than letting it pull us into despair? Stoicism, an ancient philosophy practiced by great thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, provides us with timeless wisdom to navigate the toughest challenges, including heartbreak. As Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." A breakup is an event outside our control, but how we respond to it is entirely within our grasp. Today, let's explore 10 actionable steps, grounded in Stoic principles, to help you regain balance, strength, and clarity. 1. Acknowledge the pain without resistance. The first step is to face the pain head-on. Breakups hurt. Ignoring or suppressing that hurt only delays healing. According to Epictetus, men are disturbed not by things, but by the view which they take of them. Allow yourself to feel the pain, but remind yourself it is temporary. Journaling or meditating on your emotions can help you understand and process them. Think of emotional pain as a passing storm. You wouldn't try to stop the rain, you'd wait it out with patience. Accept that sadness is part of the process, but it does not define you. Your ability to face the hurt will set the stage for your recovery. Don't rush it. Healing requires space and time, and you owe yourself that. 2. Focus on what you can control. One of Stoicism's core tenets is distinguishing between what is within your control and what isn't. The relationship might be over, but your actions, thoughts, and future decisions are yours to command. Seneca advises, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Rather than dwelling on what you've lost, channel that energy into areas you can influence. Start with small steps. Organize your space, exercise, or pursue a hobby. Taking action in controllable aspects reinforces your sense of autonomy and power. Every choice you make moving forward is an affirmation of your ability to shape your destiny. 3. Practice negative visualization. 1. Effective Stoic exercise is negative visualization, imagining the worst-case scenario and realizing you can endure it. Think about the breakup. While painful, is it truly insurmountable? Visualizing life without the relationship highlights your inner resilience and prepares you to embrace reality as it is, not as you wish it were. If you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid, said Epictetus. This means letting go of the ego that wants to win or prove something after the breakup. Instead, focus on thriving independently. Visualizing your strength amid challenges equips you to face them head-on with clarity and courage. 4. Reframe the loss as an opportunity for growth. Breakups strip away comfort, leaving room for reinvention. Rather than seeing it as an end, consider it a new beginning. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Take time to identify lessons from the relationship. What did you learn about yourself? How can this knowledge guide your future choices? Use this chapter as an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more self-aware. Breakdowns often lead to breakthroughs. What you learn from this experience may be the foundation of your next chapter of greatness. 5. Detach from external validation. One common source of post-breakup pain is the loss of validation from your partner. In truth, your worth has always been within you. It was never dependent on another. How long are you going to wait before you demand the best for yourself? Asked Epictetus. Focus on building self-confidence and self-love. Reflect on your strengths and achievements independent of anyone else. This shift in mindset can restore your sense of purpose and inner stability. You are your greatest source of validation. This is your opportunity to claim that truth. 6. Limit rumination and social media exposure. Scrolling through your ex's social media or replaying past conversations will only keep you stuck. Stoicism emphasizes focusing on the present and avoiding attachments to illusions. Seneca wisely said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Replace rumination with action. Read a book, take a walk, or call a friend who uplifts you. By redirecting your energy, you break free from the cycle of overthinking and make space for recovery. Social media amplifies unhealthy comparisons and keeps wounds open. Be deliberate in protecting your mental space. 7. Engage in physical activity. Your body holds on to stress just as much as your mind. Exercise is a powerful tool to release built-up tension and reset your emotional state. Whether it's yoga, running, or weightlifting, physical activity grounds you in the present moment. As Marcus Aurelius observed, the art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. Facing the challenges of the gym mirrors the discipline needed to overcome emotional hardships. Build strength physically, and your emotional resilience will follow. Movement and endorphins are transformative. 8. Seek support, but don't depend on it. While Stoicism encourages self-reliance, seeking support from trusted friends or family can help. Share your feelings, but ensure you're not overly dependent on others to fix you. Instead, use their perspective as a tool for reflection. Associate with people who are likely to improve you, Seneca advised. Surround yourself with those who inspire and challenge you, steering you away from negativity and towards progress. Their support can bolster your journey while reminding you of your own inner strength. 9. Reconnect with your purpose. When heartbreak clouds your vision, reconnect with what gives your life meaning. Whether it's your career, passion project, or personal mission, refocusing on your purpose helps you regain direction. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." Devote energy to improving yourself, setting goals, and striving for excellence in areas that matter to you. Purpose fuels recovery. Let it light your path forward. 10. Cultivate gratitude for the experience. Though it may seem difficult, gratitude can transform your perspective. Be thankful for the good moments, the lessons learned, and the opportunity to start anew. Gratitude is a potent antidote to resentment and sorrow. Seneca noted, "A wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be, without wishing for what he has not." Embracing gratitude helps you find peace and closure, setting the foundation for a brighter future. Gratitude shifts your focus to growth and abundance. Breakups are undeniably challenging, but they are also opportunities to grow stronger, wiser, and more aligned with your true self. By applying these Stoic principles, you not only recover, but thrive. Remember, the power to heal lies within you. Choose resilience over despair. Subscribe for more.